Okay, so this one here, we're going to do a little bit of cleaning up, and then we're going to start our foundations, and we're going to do the rear foundation. So looking at our house now, it's looking quite good. However, it's a little bit breezy because we don't have a wall at the front or the rear. So what we're going to do is jump into the level 1 architecture page, which you can obviously find down here. We want to do a couple of curtain walls. So we're going to go wall, curtain wall storefront. So it's just the generic storefront one there. And at the rear of the house, we're going to place one going across from there. And I've just selected the midpoint on those beams. And then press escape. And then if we scroll down to the front, we want it here on this one here. And again, going across there like that. And I think, I wonder if we can just see those little arrows, flip that around so our glass is facing the other way. Let's have a look at the top one, and we got it the right way. Okay, so that's our curtain walls, and if we look at that in 3D, you can see that we've got a nice wall at the front of our house there. And scroll around, we've got one at the rear of our house as well. Okay, so we're going to do the rear foundation here in this rest of this video, and then we'll come back and do the other foundation in the next one, as well as maybe the sloped beams from there. So what we're going to do is jump into the ground one. So this is the level that's underneath our floor. And in here, I think we're going to do this right. We'll find out in a sec. What we're going to do is create a wall. And our wall is just a generic 300 millimeter. That one there will be fine. Our base constraint is that ground one, or whatever you have called yours. Up to level 1 is what I've got here. And then we want to put an offset in here of minus 350 millimeters, because that's the thickness of our beams that we've got going around. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pick. Now I can't see my. This one, this one. So we're going to basically just pick from the corner there. We should be able to still do it from here. From the corner there. Oh, and change it to location line up here. Change that to finish face exterior. And we want to go from there. Oops. Make sure that it's a rectangle tool. Go from there across to there, I think it is. I think it's that one. Let's have a look what that looks like. So go to our 3D view, which is here. And you can see, I think we actually got that right. So we've got our nice foundation in the rear of our building that lines up with our space there. Might actually be to this point here. I'll have to double check that, but yes, it is. So we've gone a little bit far, so we're going to modify that. So I'm going to go back to that ground and go to see if we can pick it up. Where is it? Can we get it from there? Should be able to see it. Why can we not see it? Structural framing. Level 1, can I grab it in there? We might have to go. Let's try doing it on our 3D view. We're going to spin this around. We'll do it from the bottom. Grab our wall. And we just want to bring that across to that one there. So just line that up with our edge of our glass curtain wall that's there. So we want that edge to line up with that one there. So you just grab that and drag it across there. And that should be, if we click off that, should be what it looks like so far. So next video we'll come back, we'll do the foundations for here, and we'll try and do those sloping beams in that one as well. All right, catch you in the next video.